Ever wondered why SEO is crucial for your YouTube channel? Let's break it down. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a bit like the GPS system for the internet. Just like a GPS guides you to your destination, SEO leads potential viewers to your content. Imagine the internet as a vast, bustling city. Your YouTube channel is one among millions of destinations. Now, how do you make sure people find their way to your channel amid this flurry of information? That's where SEO comes in. By optimizing your content with relevant keywords, descriptions, and tags, you're essentially planting signposts throughout the city, guiding viewers straight to your content. The better your SEO, the more visible your channel becomes. This translates into more views, more likes, and more subscribers. So SEO isn't a luxury, it's a necessity for anyone serious about growing their YouTube channel. But why should you bother with SEO for your YouTube channel, you might ask? Well, the answer is simple. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the magic ingredient that makes your content discoverable. It's the driving force behind organic traffic, the kind of traffic that doesn't cost you a dime, but brings in viewers who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Think of the vast ocean of content that is YouTube. There are millions of videos, all vying for attention. But with effective SEO, your content doesn't just float aimlessly. It's like a beacon, guiding the right audience towards your channel. It's not just about getting views. It's about attracting viewers who are likely to be engaged by your content, viewers who will like, comment, share, and hopefully subscribe. Increased viewer engagement not only makes your channel more lively and interactive, but it also sends positive signals to YouTube's algorithm. This can drastically improve your channel's ranking, making your content more likely to pop up in search results and recommended sections. But the benefits of SEO don't stop at organic traffic and improved ranking. It can also lead to better advertising opportunities. Consider this. Advertisers are more likely to invest in channels that have a dedicated, engaged audience. By optimizing your content for search engines, you're not only increasing your visibility but also enhancing your channel's monetization potential. And here's the cherry on top. SEO is a sustainable strategy. Unlike paid promotions, which stop the moment you stop paying, the effects of SEO are long-lasting. Once you've optimized your content, it continues to attract viewers, creating a steady stream of organic traffic. So you see, SEO is not just another buzzword. It's a vital part of any successful YouTube strategy. It's the key to making your content visible in a sea of videos, to attracting the right audience, to engaging viewers, to improving your ranking, and to unlocking better monetization opportunities. Clearly, SEO is a powerful tool that can take your YouTube channel to the next level. Now that we understand the importance of SEO for YouTube, what are the key points to remember? First and foremost, keywords are your best friends. They are the backbone of SEO. They're the words and phrases that users type into the search box to find content. You want to incorporate these into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. But don't just throw them in randomly. Make sure they're relevant and accurately describe what your video is about. This not only helps viewers find your content, but also signals to YouTube's algorithms what your video is all about. Secondly, thumbnails aren't just pretty pictures. They're your first impression, your chance to hook viewers. So, create engaging thumbnails that accurately represent your video content. Make them visually appealing and compelling. They should make the viewer want to click and find out more. Thirdly, remember this golden rule. Content is king. You can optimize all you want, but if your content isn't engaging, viewers won't stick around. YouTube's algorithms pay attention to viewer behavior. They note how long viewers watch your video, whether they like, share, or comment, and even if they check out your other videos. So, produce high-quality content that keeps viewers hooked from start to finish. Now let's talk about viewer interaction. Encouraging comments, likes, and shares can boost your engagement metrics. Ask viewers to like and share your videos, and to comment their thoughts. Respond to comments to foster a sense of community. Remember, YouTube is not just a platform for sharing videos, it's a social media platform. So engage with your audience. Finally, don't forget about the power of playlists. Grouping related videos together in a playlist can increase your overall watch time. It encourages viewers to watch more of your content in one sitting, which can boost your channel's SEO. With these SEO strategies in your arsenal, your YouTube channel is set for success.